This is the trend review for Wednesday, the 28th of February 2024. And on Nvidia, we were opening in lower value. We had slightly dropped from yesterday's range, but we're trading within value and within range. But we rejected the gray area and yesterday's value and S4. So it was trading in this range, which is what I wanted to use to make plays. So when the market opened, I was looking for either a short from yesterday's value or a long of S4. And I suppose I'm a bit disappointed on this short and this possible long because I was looking very attentively at it, and I should have made an entry short here at 776 as we were dropping. We had a nice move to the downside, and then we also had a nice reversal here, which I should have made an entry on at 773 for a $7 move or a $9 move. But this reversal here happened very fast, and this was the original move I was looking for a rejection of yesterday's value. But this move was very fast, very frantic, and then failed. So very difficult to make an entry there. And I made an entry. I understood market structure could be we were trading between brackets, and market structure could be what a normal day, a neutral day. So I waited, and I kind of felt like I missed an entry here. But luckily we attempted to continue to drop down, and what I noticed was that there was a lot of stacks to the downside, but with like sellers. I'm sorry, but yeah, we needed. There was a lot of buyers down there, but not a lot of people willing to sell. So the market maker was a bit imbalanced. We had a lot of orders here to the downside, but people were not selling, so they were not able to make a transaction on those shares. So I knew that for them to finally get rid of all the people unwilling to buy, they had to raise the price for them to get rid of their shares and finally have more sellers on their side. So I looked for a long, and we came down to drop 772. We failed to break down previously, and so as we were driving down, I just decided to pull the trigger with a nice share size with risk at 772, which was never really tested, and we run to the top side. We had a nice spike and got out 1/3 of my position at 776, but we had a strong reaction here and at the open, and it kind of made me feel that maybe those are all the sellers we found, and the price was gonna continue dropping. So I decided to get out the rest of my position at 775, 38 on a market order, because we were I felt like still we could poke lower than my very given entry. And luckily or unfortunately, this trade left me at a little bit more than my daily goal, so there was no need for me to continue trading. So I just closed the platform. But this was another opportunity to go long after attempting to break lower than 771. I don't know how fast this happened, but along here could have been very nice because we ended up uh, breaking, going past value and to the previous day close, and then reversing from 789 back to value, and then closing below the open. So it's a very weird day, kind of like a neutral day, the market structure, but I will consider this normal variation because we traded here and then we extended the range. Because yeah, I think so. We try to hold the top of this range as well. So I think normal variation is fair for market structure. And so today was a good day. Could have been better if I had managed to take advantage of the bigger move or pull the trigger earlier. But that's fine. It's a bit of a relief that I managed to take a good trade. An excellent pre-market rep. Good trade location. Update to. Honestly, to have better trade management in this trade, I should have pulled the trigger on this push to almost 777 because that will be pretty much the top. That's pretty much the top of the current range. We did hit goal. It was only one trade, and it was actually executed very nice with confidence. 2.6. Okay, that's nice. So yeah, very modest day, but good enough, and a bit intense, but also it was very smooth. My stop loss didn't get really tested much. And this was considered an extreme reversal, I guess, into the Camarillo pivots points. Yes. So the order book was a bit complicated to understand, but I think balance is better. Win and 2.6. Same with my stats. A very good trade. So Nvidia returned to the bottom of the range, so I think tomorrow is gonna be interesting as well. Yeah, the open is gonna be like just like today's, where we're gonna have early entries. Because on the daily we're at the bottom of this consolidation, and it doesn't look very good. I think we set value lower as well. But we're not very bullish tomorrow. I think we can sell off and return to the 700, to the low 700s. Well, that's it for my trading review.